How to fix TikTok not opening. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to talk about fixing the TikTok not opening problem on your mobile device. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure that the TikTok application is up to date. Go to Play Store, search for TikTok application, and if you're using iPhone, go ahead and search in App Store. Once you see an update button, something like this, instead of open, tap on update in order to update it to its latest and newest version available. Updating the app will let you fix bugs, glitches, and more app problems. Another thing you can do is make sure that your Wi-Fi is stable, reliable, strong. So you can also try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it works. And another thing you can do is you can turn on the flight mode for a few seconds and then turn back it off. After this, try clearing the TikTok application app cache. So tap and hold onto this application, tap on clear cache. You can do this in the TikTok app also, but you will need to follow a lot of different steps. So tap on clear. So clearing your cache will let you free up the space. This won't affect your TikTok experience. You can also tap and hold onto this TikTok application, then tap on the eye icon in the top. Again, scroll down and there you will see the option of storage. Tap on clear cache and you'll be done. Come back, try force stopping this application and re-enable it again. Go to battery and make sure that it's set to optimized or unrestricted. You can also try uninstalling this application completely from your device and reinstall it. And if you're using iPhone, you can upload the app and you'll be done. Last but not least, go ahead and restart your entire device and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.